I'm going to show you how to make some stained glass cookies. They're so good and easy, they got me the cover of my local magazine. I'm excited about that, but let me show you guys how to make them. First thing you need to do is cream together 2/3 cup of sugar, a 1/2 cup of softened unsalted butter. Cream it together until it's light and fluffy. That's all creamed together. I'm gonna add in the flavoring. 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract. If you don't like almond extract, don't add it, but a little does go a long way. And a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. You do need the extracts because it helps with the moisture. So now you wanna just mix that together. Add in 2 egg yolks. Now that's all fully incorporated. You wanna sift in 2 cups of flour, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Sift it all in. Mix it up on a low speed until your flour is incorporated. And it will look crummy, but that's okay. That's normal. And now that's all mixed up. You can see it's kind of crumbly, but once you pinch it, your dough does come together. That's perfect. That's exactly what you're looking for. Now just gather it all up into one large dough ball and split it in half because you're gonna work with half of your dough at a time. You're gonna roll your dough out. I just like to do this in between 2 pieces of parchment paper. I don't want to make a bigger mess with more flour than I already do. And I'm going to roll it out to that thickness right there. It's 5 mm. And now the dough is rolled out. You want to chill it in the fridge for about a 1/2 hour to an hour just to make it even easier to handle when you cut them out. The dough is chilled enough. This is how it looks. Use some cookie cutters and cut out some cookies. Place your cutout on a parchment lined baking sheet. Now you want to use a smaller cookie cutter of the same kind and go right in the center of that. And so you have a smaller one, and you want to go ahead and bake that up too. You can dip the top in sugar, so just do this with all your dough. Just want to chill these while you preheat your oven and you smash up some candy. And now the candies are all broken up. I'm just going to put those there and just take a scoop and put it in the center of your cookie cutouts. And when you've filled those all with candy, go ahead and bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 11 minutes. And this is how they look when they're finished baking. Check them at 9 minutes though. And just allow them to cool completely before you remove them from the pan. But just like that, you have stained glass cookies.